Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding Python Variables Starting with Numbers. Introduction. In Python, variable names typically start with a letter, AZ, or an underscore. However, there may be scenarios where you encounter variables that start with a number. While this is allowed in Python, it's important to understand the rules and implications associated with such variable names. In this tutorial, we'll explore the rules for naming variables that start with numbers and provide code examples to illustrate their usage. Rules for variable names starting with numbers. Code examples. Let's dive into some code examples to understand how variables starting with numbers work in Python. Example 1, valid variable name starting with a number. Example 2, invalid variable name starting with a number. Example 3, using numbers in variable names. Example 4, case sensitivity. Conclusion. While Python allows variables to start with numbers, it's generally recommended to follow the conventional naming conventions to enhance code readability and maintainability. Descriptive and meaningful variable names contribute to the clarity of your code, making it easier for others, and yourself, to understand and maintain the code base. Use this knowledge wisely and consider the best practices when naming variables in your Python programs. ChatGPT.